What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have install video for you guys. We're going to be installing the AW switchpath remote system on the GT350. In case you guys don't know, disregard the mess. This is my 2016 Shelby GT350. If you don't know about these cars, they already come with the factory valve system already installed. The only sucky thing about it is on cold starts, the valves close, and there's no way to really force it open. There's like a couple second delay when doing that. So you technically don't get the true cold start of this car. And then also shifting into 6th gear, that closes the valves as well, which is pretty sucky, but we're gonna change that today. Here's the AWE system right here. So this is it right here. So instead of controlling the valves from inside the car using the factory system, we're going to be using a remote to do that. Here's the module right here. This is what's going to be replacing the factory module underneath the car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to go ahead and knock this install out. Okay, let's go ahead and get this car moved out and then onto the ramps. Then I'll kind of show you the process of the install, and I'll even insert some clips of the before and after of the exhaust. So let's get started. All right, guys, we got the car in the air. So underneath the car, there's gonna be like this diffuser back plate right here. So there's gonna be two 13mm bolts on each side. We're gonna remove those. And then there's also these clips right here. You just pop them out and this thing will come down. So let's do that now. All right, so we got the bottom plate out. So I said there was two 13mm bolts, but there's actually 4. So you got those 2 underneath, and then you have these 2 right here. But they're easy to take out, so nothing really to worry about there. All right, guys, so let me go underneath the car real quick. So after you take off the panel, you need to unplug the actuators, the stock ones from the factory system. So this was honestly a bitch to do. So you see this tab? You have to pull this back, and then after that, push on the tab and then pull out. This one wasn't so bad on the driver's side, but the passenger side was really terrible because it's like hard to maneuver around the exhaust and the buffer the way it's positioned. But yeah, those are all unplugged. Here, we're gonna go over to the next step. But before that, we're gonna start the GT500. As you saw earlier, our garage is a fucking mess. So yeah, we're gonna get this cleaned up after this install, and we're gonna go from there. But yeah, there's a reason why we're cleaning the garage right now. Another reason why we're cleaning this garage, do you know why we're cleaning the garage?
So basically, we can't say too much, but we have another vehicle on the way.
We have another vehicle on the way.
We're not gonna say.
I don't even have my hat on. I look fucking crazy, but
Yeah.
That's how crazy it's gonna be.
Yeah, it's crazy right now.
Okay guys, so this is where I mounted the AW module right here. And this plugs into the stock actuator, which feeds it power. And then after, they give you the other cables that plug into the actual valves of the exhaust here. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did. I ran it, zip tied it, kept it away from like the hot areas. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right guys, all done with the install. As you guys can see, the remote controls the valves now. Let me go ahead and give you guys a cold start real quick.
Hours later.
All right guys, a couple hours have gone by. As you see, had to get a haircut real quick. But yeah, install video is done. This thing's freaking awesome. I could control the valves with the remote. I can actually get a true cold start on the car. And now I can shift to the 6th gear with no issues of the valves closing. But yeah, install, I would rate it a 8 out of 10 to be honest. Just because it was difficult getting those pins out of the actuators. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But we also did some work on the garage. As you saw earlier, it was hella messy. But yeah, we got it cleaned up a little bit. Like I said, there's gonna be something parked here very soon. So stay tuned for that video. Like always, please like, subscribe, and we appreciate the early support. With that being said, have a good one. See you at the next video. Peace.